She has that, and then she has a dot on her chin, so we call her Dottie. You want to hang out? And I know what you're going to do. You're going to wind up hitting my camera and then closing it and shutting it off. Pardon the poor audio, but I just grabbed the camera and I don't have a microphone ready at the moment. Dottie, while if I took all the cars out of the box, she'd fit, but she can't fit now. Hump, huh? You too big? There's her white tip tail. It's the easiest thing for me to recognize when they're walking around because she has the white tip, and there's the dot on her chin still. Hi, hi. This is just a quick update to let you know that the Exodus series is going to change. It's taking me too long to make them, and I'm not going to be able to put the chapters for every car that's in the case. It took me over 2 hours for the last case. It's too much time. It's too much time. I'm only going to put chapters for key cars, and at the beginning of the video I'm going to put like highlights from the actual case unboxing, and of course the link for the original case. If you want to see the original case unboxing, all the cars straight out of the case, that's the best thing to do. But I'm going to spend far less time on the cars as I take them out of the case. Got to do it faster, and the chapters will be limited. Anyways, thanks for watching. Where are you going? She found a new spot because I rearranged this area so that I can do the more die-cast videos, especially the case unboxing videos. The case was, I didn't have enough room. I had a monitor here so that I can do gaming, but now as you can see, no monitor. It's gone. It's actually stuck in the corner behind that monitor. Don't forget, for cars and collectibles, check my eBay store. Bye-bye.